So this is the Ego 52 centimetre, that's nearly 22-inch electric self-propelled mower. Comes in at 29 kilos, and to store it, that's how you can put it, and try doing that with a petrol mower. That's similar in performance to the Honda. This is £699. It comes with a large battery here, which I shall show you. Here you can see the battery. This is a big beast. It comes with a spare battery in the box. This one gives you 1 hour on full charge, so that takes 25 minutes to recharge, but this one gives you 30 minutes operating time, so when this one is charging, that one can carry on, but that's a large area to mow. The smaller battery fits into their range of chainsaws and other garden trimmers and power tools. As you're going round, it gives you a display which shows you how much power you've got left at any time. It unfolds like this. And the grass collection unit goes on the back like this, and this holds 60 litres of grass. So let's go and give it a go. It has variable speed for going faster and slower. At its fastest, you're actually running along, it's too quick. And this is the power output for the blades and lock, and it's all controlled by these controls there, like that. You can control the height of the cutter deck here from low to high, but you've got to remember it's a rotary mower rather than a roller mower, so you're not going to be making any putting greens. So let's go and give it a go. It's called the Ego self-propelled mower. They're made in Germany, and this is the patch where it's going to have the wild seed. Well, it's already had the wild seed added, and I've got plug plants that are going to go in there, so it'll become a meadow. And then down here you can see Julia's wildlife pond is taking shape. So there it is, the Ego made in Germany. That's with the handles fully extended. They are extended to a number of distances, and the whole of the hood is made of polypropylene, so it's rust proof. The blade underneath is multi-purpose, but you can buy a second one for putting on in addition during the autumn and winter months, which has got a saw edge, and the two of them form an X. And that's for mulching leaves and large twigs. It reduces them all to sawdust. It's quite impressive. And there it is, completely rust proof, and it comes with a 5-year guarantee on all the batteries as well as the kit.